Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using this product service. In this video, we're taking a look at KeyBank, a platform designed to streamline the home buying journey. Navigating the real estate market can be daunting, but KeyBank aims to simplify the process, connecting potential homeowners with the resources they need. Whether you're a first-time buyer, seasoned investor, or just starting to explore your options, KeyBank offers a range of tools and services to support you every step of the way. From mortgage pre-approval to property searches and closing assistance, they provide a comprehensive platform for managing the complexities of purchasing a home. KeyBank focuses on offering a personalized experience, understanding that each individual's needs and circumstances are unique. Their platform provides educational resources, market insights, and expert guidance to empower users to make informed decisions. With KeyBank, you can explore different mortgage options, compare rates, and calculate potential monthly payments, all within a user-friendly interface. They also offer access to a network of real estate professionals, including agents and lenders, to further assist you throughout the process. Whether you're searching for a specific property type, exploring neighborhoods, or simply seeking advice, KeyBank aims to be your one-stop resource for all things home buying. They emphasize transparency and strive to provide clear and concise information, making the often opaque world of real estate more accessible to everyone. So, if you're looking to simplify the home buying process, KeyBank might be a platform worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and to visit their website. KeyBank strives to make the dream of homeownership a reality for a wider range of individuals by streamlining the process and providing the necessary tools and support. Remember, this review represents my personal experience, and your mileage may vary. Don't forget to explore the additional resources and links in the description below.